Conducting this interview on the basis of our GP project, which is based on the AI dustbin. Starting off, what motivated you to become involved in this particular robotics project?
Yes, since my childhood, I was fond of all the technical things actually. So I was breaking everything and attaching them together, right? And also space technology, all those things. That was the main thing that attracted me to concentrate on this project.
Pleased to hear this. Can you describe your role and contributions to the project?
My role was very simple actually. I could design some of the things and also all the discrete parts. I brought all the discrete parts and gave it to the students. And they supported them to complete the project.
Moving on, how do you think this project aligns with the goals of our global perspective curriculum?
The challenge is that the segregation of waste actually. Nowadays, when you go outside, the people, they don't care about the segregation of waste, all those things. They'll keep on mixing wet, dry and everything, even e-waste also together in that. So that because of that, even air getting polluted and also water getting polluted, many things are happening, right? And also when you mix electronic waste into the wet waste, what happens here, right? The mercury and lead, these gets mixed into the water. When you drink that water, what happens? The nervous problems may rise. So health problems will also be there. That is the main thing that was the main thing that I thought
Which motivated
me to do that things.
In what ways do you believe robotics can contribute to solving global challenges?
In many ways, robotics can help us in solving so many issues, like social issues also, many things actually. Already we are using robots in industries as car manufacturing and many industries, like in health sector also we are using it, even defense, education, in many places we are using. Recently I was working on the drawing robot actually, where it will help students to write their homework and many things actually. And also it may help for the art and craft. So in that way we can incorporate this robotics and artificial intelligence also in this.
How did you overcome them?
Yes, actually, when we started the project, actually, the interfacing problem was there in between the image processing, where they capture the image of the like a waste, is a wet waste or dry waste. It was capturing the image. It was getting confused between 2 or 3 different objects actually. So that time we faced the problem of opening the lid of the what is it? This one.
The dustbins.
The dustbin actually. So that was the main reason that problem we faced there.
Going on, what were some of the most significant technical challenges you faced during this project?
Yeah.
How do you measure the success of this project, like in terms of educational and personal growth?
Yeah, the success of the project, I can easily say that. So the thing is that how to implement. They had an idea of implementing it, but successfully we could implement the project in real time. In real time we could implement it. So it's working model. It's not like a dummy model. It's a working model we have done. And also one more thing is that they had a online competition. In that also they won first prize all over India. All over India, almost 320 projects were there, participated, 92 schools participated, 320 projects were there. Amongst all of them, actually, we won first prize. That was the greatest achievement. That's what we believe. That is the success of this particular idea and concept.
Impact of robotics on the future global issues. How do you see the field of robotics evolving in the next 5 to 10 years, particularly in the context of global issues involved in the global perspective?
In next 5 years, it can address so many issues actually, like climate changes, right? And also healthcare.
Yes.
And also education sector also, like implementing robotics in the labs. So that will increase hands-on skills for the students actually, right? And also it will artificial intelligence. So many things are there in this.
I believe it also reduces the labor work.
Yes, labor work.
Moving on, how do you ensure that students not only learn the technical skills, but also understand the broader implications of robotics?
Yes, actually, in the beginning, actually, when we were working on the robotics project, this particular project, actually, they did some kind of the only hardware part, software part like Python and other coding. They didn't know about that much. Actually, they didn't know much about it. So afterwards, they started learning about Python coding and other things. Actually, so that in that way, it helped them to understand the project better.